Celebrate your life. Celebrate each moment. Can you see those scars that you've left on the fence? Brahma Day or Brahma Night, we'll call it a Kalpa. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Siddesh. Before starting the video, I would request you all to like the video, comment on the video, share the video as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button to keep getting notification whenever a new video is posted. So today I'm going to talk about relationships. In today's world, or for that matter, for the thousands of years we've been on this earth, one thing that's remained constant is us reproducing, us forming into relationships, us making babies. So I know the definition of a relationship has changed over the years, or maybe it was the same, but some things have been highlighted back, some things which have changed the definition of a relationship. But there's one thing that remains constant, and I'm going to discuss about the thing which I consider remains constant among all relationships. There are three stages in every person's relationship. These three stages define how the future is going to be for that relationship. To begin with, the first stage of a relationship is always where there's a lot of mystery. You have just met someone, you have just started talking to someone, that person is mesmerizing to you as a personality, as a person, physically, mentally. It could be both, it could be one and not the other. There's a lot of excitement. You guys are trying to know each other. You guys are spending time with each other. You guys are trying to know what the other person likes. You're trying to know what the other person does not like. You're trying to find similarities between you and that person. You're trying to find what is compatible and what is not. And basically at the end, obviously, if you really like that person, then you're trying to impress that person. And when both of them have a similar flow, both of them are seeking the similar thing, both of them have reached a similar stage, similar feeling of trying to impress the other person, that is when the first stage gets over. I think most of us would have gone through this first stage. Again, it depends whether you're reaching the end of this first stage or you're just passing through and then again. So in this first stage, the first thing that needs to be noticed is that everyone does not reach the end. In the sense, you might be impressing the other person, but that person might not be impressing you. So that means that person doesn't like you. So that's the end of the story there. So this is what happens with people who are not able to go ahead of the first stage. Now, once everything is set and once you're going past the first stage where you have already finished all this and both are trying to impress each other, then your relationship goes to the next stage. This is the other stage where you're trying to actually know the person now. Till now, the first stage was all about presenting what you want to present to the other person. You want to show that person that you're courteous, you'll show that. You want to show that person that you have a sense of humor, you'll show that. You want to show that person that you're stylish, you'll show that. But in the second stage, that person gets to know the real self that you are. Now, in the first stage, you would have shown a personality which you show everyone, show all your friends, show any girl you want to impress. But in the second stage, that's not going to be the case. Now, you're going to show that person the face of yours that only your closest family members or friends have seen. Or in some cases, something more than that. The personality that you really have but you have never shown anyone. So that is the second stage. Along with this, you're going to show the vulnerability. That is when you have fights. You're going to show your fears. I am scared of this. This is my weakness. Because now you have complete trust on that person. So you're ready to show your positives as well as negatives to that person. Your hidden stories, Also, you acknowledge each other individually. You acknowledge each other's strengths. You acknowledge each other's individuality. You now know that there are some things which you do not agree with the other person. Some things which make you different from that person. Some things that you want to pursue in your life, and some things that person wants to pursue in their life. So basically, you get to know all the differences, the flaws, the fights, the disagreements. All these things happen in the second stage. And if you're strong enough to pass through all this and still want to be there with that person, that is when you move to the third stage. That is when you finish the second stage in your relationship. The third stage, so the second stage is mostly the time when 2-3 years into a relationship, you get to know each other, you're staying with each other, you're talking to each other, you're moving around, you're spending a lot of time. The third one is when you start changing individually. So see, human being is not someone who stays constant. Today's Siddesh and the Siddesh that you will see after a year, or the Siddesh you saw 1 year back, is not the same. With each day's experience, your mind learns new things. With each day's experience, your brain starts to change a lot of things inside you. So obviously, these two people also start changing with time. Slowly, they are not the person they fell in love with. The change could be financially, the change could be mentally, the change could be lifestyle, change in opinions as well. BJP to Congress. Financially, they might be rich to poor or poor to rich. So many different changes. At this point of relationship, if you still want to stick around with that person, if you still want to be with that person, if you still want to accept that person, if you want to acknowledge that person's individual growth, that is when you reach the ultimate stage of your relationship. And once you reach that stage where you acknowledge all these things and it doesn't create any problem, then you move to the next stage. That is experiencing life with each other. So I feel relationships has these stages most of the time, and the people who really reach the third stage, the end of the third stage, are the ones who go for the long run. Thank you so much, guys. That is it for this video. See you soon in the next video. Take care.